Hello everyone. In today's class we are going to discuss about the rectilinear propagation of light, that light travel in a straight path. So मैं किरण सिन्हा मैम और आप सभी का स्वागत है इंटेंसिव ट्यूटोरियल में। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं लाइट ट्रैवल इन ए स्ट्रेट पाथ। इन प्रीवियस क्लास वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस अबाउट कि डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द बिहेवियर टुवर्ड्स द लाइट material can be classified into transparent, translucent and opaque material. Transparent material or transparent object are those material which allow all the light to pass through them. As for example, glass, polythene, air, water, oil, these all are transparent material. If we look at a burning candle through a sheet of clear glass, we can see the candle and its flame clearly. This is because glass is a transparent material which allow all the light coming from candle and its flame to pass through it. The window panes in our homes are usually made up of transparent glass. Our spectacles glasses are also transparent. Glass tumbler in our kitchen are also transparent object. The test tube, flask and beaker in the science laboratory are also transparent. A car windscreen is also transparent material because it is made up of glass. If we are able to see through an object clearly, it is allowing the light to pass through it, then we can say कि oh, it is transparent object. What is translucent material? Those material which allow only some of the light to pass through them. It means light completely not passing through it, only partial light is passing through it, then it is called translucent material. As for example, ground glass, butter paper, oil paper, tissue paper, sheet of white cotton, muddy water, clouds, these all are translucent material. If we look at burning candle through a piece of ground glass or through a piece of butter paper, we can see only a dim light of the candle. We can neither see the candle itself nor the candle flame clearly through the ground glass. The window of bathroom in our home are made up of translucent material called ground glass, so that though some outside light may enter in the bathroom, but nothing is visible clearly from outside. Clouds are translucent material. Though we cannot see the sun through cloud on the cloudy day, but still there is some sunlight all around. This is because being translucent, clouds allow few of the sunlight to pass through them, due to which there is light on the earth even on cloudy day. The transparent object absorbs or reflect a good amount of light falling on them and allow only few of amount of the light to pass through them. And now come to opaque object. These materials do not allow light to pass through them. They completely block the light which is falling on them. They block the path of light. For example, cardboard, book, door, metal sheet, brick, wall, stones, these all are opaque material. If we look at a burning candle through a piece of cardboard, what do you observe? When we are holding the cardboard in front of our eyes, we cannot see anything at all. This is because the cardboard does not allow the light to pass through it. So light of candle is not passing through it and reaches to our eyes. Next, we cannot see anything through a wooden door. Can you see? No. We cannot see anything through a wooden door because wooden door is an opaque object which does not allow any light to pass through it. Opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them because they absorb or reflect all the light that is falling on them. Light always travels in a straight line. If we shine a torch on a dark night, we will see that the beam of light that is coming from the torch travel in a straight path into darkness. The beam of searchlight at the airport show that light travel in a straight line. The beam of light coming from the projector in the cinema hall and falling on the screen, it always show that light travel in a straight path. The formation of shadow by a source of light also suggests that light travel in a straight path. This is because if light could bend and travel in curved line, then it would have reached behind the object and hence no shadow could be formed. But it does not happen. When a opaque object is kept in the path of light, it always form a shadow. So the property of light traveling in a straight line is called rectilinear propagation of light. Let us perform one activity to show that light travel in a straight path. For this purpose, fix a lighted candle on a table. Take a rubber tube, stretch it straight and look through it at the flame of the candle with one eye, as you can see in the diagram. We will find that when the rubber tube is straight, we can see the light of candle flame through it. Now what you will do? Now bend the rubber tube a little and look through it at the candle flame again. Are you able to see it? No, we cannot see the light of candle flame through a bent rubber tube. This means that the light of the candle flame can travel through the hole of a straight rubber tube but not through the bent rubber tube. One more activity we can do. Fix a 3 cardboard, as you can see in the diagram. Fix 3 cardboards vertically on the table in such a way that their holes are in a straight line. Place a burning candle behind the farthest cardboard. The candle should have its flame at about the same height as the holes in the cardboards. Now look at the candle flame through the hole in the first cardboard. You can see the candle flame through the holes of the cardboards. Thus, when all the cardboard holes are in a straight line, light from candle reaches to our eyes. Now, push the middle cardboard slightly out of its position so that the 3 holes are not now in remain a straight line. If we look through the hole in the first cardboard, we cannot see the flame of the candle now. It means that all the 3 holes of the cardboard are not in a straight line. So the light of the candle flame are not reaching to our eyes. This shows that light travel in a straight path. Got it? So by using this concept that light travel in a straight path, we can make a pinhole camera.